morning, campers. We are, today is 28th, February 28th. Happy leap day, happy non-existent leap day. Tomorrow is not February 29th, it is the 1st of March. So my dad only turns a quarter of a year old this year. My dad's a leap year baby. We are in Mississippi. Speed down, my friend, speed down. We are on Mississippi Highway 35 going north. Mississippi Highway 35 going north. We just left Carthage, Mississippi. Accidentally spent the night at a Tyson plant. And by accidentally, I checked in last night, 7:30. I was like 10 minutes before the latest possible time I was expected to need to pick that trailer up. And the load wasn't ready yet. So, I checked in, gave him my phone number, sat out in the parking lot for about 3 hours, and then went to sleep. And oh yeah, here's the Natchez Trace Parkway coming up. But yeah, I went to sleep at the customer, and then they promptly lost my check-in sheet. Woo, bit of flooding here. That's not good. They promptly lost my check-in sheet and never called me, and then my dispatcher called me this morning like 7 a.m. like, hey, why aren't we rolling yet? Like, they never called. Well, the load's ready. Okay. I needed to sleep, so it worked out fine. But yeah, so this bridge here, we're going over the Natchez Trace Parkway. It's a lovely little parkway for cars only that goes through Mississippi. I saw a tanker trying to get on it last night, so hopefully they got him backed out. He had turned right onto this road here, which very much not allowed on that road. Slow lane. Now I can go nice and slow because we've got a passing lane. I love when the slow lane comes back and I'm allowed to just chill. Because this is I don't remember the name of this town. It's like Coke or something. I feel bad. I feel bad not knowing the name of this town that I'm driving through. But it's like, it's not on my GPS, so. It's got this lovely little bypass route, so we just follow this around the city and then dive into the middle of town on another state highway in a moment, and then turn back onto the road we were on. And continue north to Interstate 55. Gonna go up to Memphis. Gonna go from Memphis to Little Rock, which is always a fun drive. Pick up some fuel in Little Rock, which is gonna suck because Little Rock's truck stops are kind of busy and crowded, and generally an unfortunate experience all around. But we've got the time. We've got the time. I gave them a very conservative ETA for getting to my customer tonight, just because I can. I'm having a bad week. I'm having a real bad week. There's lots of stuff piling up. Lots of stuff piling up. So, we're just gonna chill on this load. No 65-mile-an-hour running. We're just gonna chill, do the speed limit or 58, whichever's lower. Gonna relax. Alright, let's let this car behind me squeeze past, because I need to turn left in a mile. So I need to get in the left lane, and to do that I need all these cars to wake up! Please! Figure it out! You're accelerating slower than a semi! Good grief! What was that? They're still not up at the speed limit. Wow. Alright, it's fine. Sorry, I'm not angry. Did I take my pills this morning? I think I did. I get mood swings if I forget my hormone pills. It's like basically giving myself an artificial period. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Hormones are amazing things. truck parking. Nifty. And Pickup has learned his lesson. He's going for the overtake while we're slowed down at this stoplight. And they're doing it again. They're doing it again. Why? Why, person? Why? Four-wheelers baffle me sometimes. Parking by permit only. Ooh, there's a really nice Freightliner cab over in there. Bright orange, too. I like it. I love a good bright colored truck. Nice and easy to see. Always looks good no matter how dirty it is. Alright, coming up on our turn. What is this town called? Kosciusko? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not even sure I could pronounce it even if I did know. Am I going to have enough room to get off this railroad crossing? Yeah, as long as this guy doesn't stop way short. Yeah, we're good. Oh, four-way stop. I love four-way stops. Four-way stops are so much fun. Yeah, it's not often we wind up down in Mississippi, but we were in Springfield. We had a load that was going to Alabama. We swapped it off in Springfield. To another driver. Goodness. Apophis did not like that start. We swapped it off in Springfield to another driver. And then the load we picked up in Springfield went down to Memphis. And it was, we did Prime a favor, basically. Prime had a big celebratory dinner for all their million-mile drivers. So they had a whole bunch of cargo sitting on their yard that wasn't going anywhere. And they called up Wiltrans and said, hey, we got this yard, do you have a driver? Or we've got this load that needs to go now. Do you have a driver for it? And I just happened to be standing behind my dispatcher when that call came in. I'm like, yeah, sure. 3 a.m. in Memphis? I like 3 a.m. in Memphis. Memphis is a great city in the middle of the night. Not so great during the day. We're going to be doing that today. But middle of the night? Yeah, I'll do Memphis. All right, we got a right turn. Industrial Park, right 500 feet. 35. We need north. 35. So this is not my turn. This is the industrial park. So that's not it. We need to keep going and stay on 35. Apophis really likes skipping gears today, even though we're on a real heavy load. Uh-oh. Did you brake? Oh no, they're just trying to turn to that driveway, not actually at the intersection. I understand now. So this is 30. Yeah, this is 35. Okay, this is our turn. Let's just stay nice and wide here. Make sure nobody blocks us. Ah, cool. They've got the green. Oh, we nailed that turn. That was exactly the right setup. Our wheels were like 2 inches off the curb. No skipping gears on this hill, Apophis. No skipping gears. Next. If you can hear the little like plasticky thud, that's me manually shifting the gears as we get to about 14 to 1500 RPM. So the truck's accelerating a little more smoothly up the hill instead of the jumpy gear skipping thing that it likes to do to save fuel. All right. Smoothness is the key when you're hauling buckets of chicken goo, which is exactly what we are hauling. They're these giant, they're called combos. They're